What is up guys? This is Ayan, trip ni Ayan. By the way, sa mga tatani nga video, please do subscribe. Consider subscribing if you want outdoor activities. So this is our first official vlog na to. Mini vlog lang ta karon kay first naman guys. It's Monday morning, January 26, 2026. Boy, it's more on 6. The date is more on 6. So it's the day of the 6th.
What?
And just wanted to share with you guys my daily routine, daily vlog, my cycling vlog. Kanarang wow. At mapakita diri sa ato ang channel lang. Please do subscribe and like my videos. And please watch my videos guys. Bago pa ta aning channel, so nagpractice pa pud nga mag-vlog ta. So privately pa ta nagpractice, pero hopefully soon makabalo na ta mag-vlog nga bisag na ay mga kailan nimo nga nagpalibot sa imo, halik ka maulaw bang nga magyaw-yaw gani ka sa imong sa likod sa camera, no? Puhon mo abot ratana na. And hilig man gud ko mag video. So that's why I purchased the Insta360 X4 Air, at an advanced Insta360 camera, but will do on beginner content creators like me, like just casual vlogger. Just want to share the mga outdoor activities. So that's why naka-decide ko mapalit og action cam nga 360 degrees ang kita. Nature lover man taraw abihay ta, and then into vlogging taraw abihay pod, and then into cycling abihay gihapon. Kamo na ni palit ko, na-decide ko nga mapalit kay hilig man ta mag video soon, basin na makapalit og drone or something or what. Unsay gusto nato nga idugang pa sa ato ang small family sa gadgets. Discuss na lang po nako later on a separate video ang pag-unbox jud mismo sa Insta360 X4 Air, and soon my experience, my long-term experience. So once pa na to siya nagamit, so no, kahapon nagbike ta, and then so far so good, nice kayo. By the way, atong gamit karon is ang phone ra nako, no. That's it guys. Mao din ang POV kung magamit ta og Insta360 nga action cam. So pasok Insta360.
Summer heat, dancing through the city, music in my veins, heartbeat stick to rhythm, life just ain't the same. Bounce to the beat now, feel the vibe so sweet, wow. Hands up in the air, yeah. Let the music take you there. Midnight neon flashes, party's going strong. Bass drops turn up louder, sing our favorite songs. Every note is buzzing, echoes through the night. Together we're electric, everything's alright. Bounce to the beat now, feel the vibe so sweet, wow. Hands up in the air, yeah. Let the music take you there. Flashes, party's going strong. Bass drops turn up louder, sing our favorite songs.